A lot of rivers have their headwaters in upland environments, which means that what happens in the uplands can really affect what happens to the rivers in the lowlands. A lot of upland environments in the UK, especially those around Manchester, are covered in blanket peat, but unfortunately this kind of peat is quite degraded and eroding. And this means we've lost the vegetation cover, and when you lose the vegetation cover, water can flow across the surface a lot more quickly, and also you get deeply incised channels which can evacuate water really quickly off the hill slope. These environments, luckily, are being restored for a range of reasons: to stop the erosion, to bring back biodiversity, bring back those nice plants and vegetation and animals and things. And so the key thing here is roughness. We've introduced some friction into the system. So you've gone from a bare surface and quite a smooth channel to a really rough vegetated surface and a dammed up channel. And this just slows the flow of water across the hill slopes and through those channels.